connecting to the network, this problem can occur due to various reasons such as SIM card issues, network settings, misconfigurations, or software glitches. Follow this guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve the searching issue on your iPhone, restoring your cellular connection. Let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh your mobile network. Open settings on your iPhone, toggle airplane mode on, wait for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection and will fix stuck at searching option. Solution 2. Reinsert SIM card. Removing and reinserting your SIM card can resolve network issues. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it. Power your iPhone back on and check your issues. Solution 3. Enable 4G or 5G on voice and data settings. Make sure your iPhone is set to use 5G for voice and data. Open settings on your iPhone, tap on Cellular, tap on Cellular Data Options, tap on Voice and Data, select 3G, 4G, or 5G on for both voice and data, and see what happens. Solution 4. Turn on and turn network selection. Updating your carrier settings can resolve connectivity issues. Open settings on your iPhone, tap Cellular or Mobile Service, tap Network Selection, turn off Automatic, wait for a moment, select your SIM name. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can fix connectivity issues. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. Solution 6. Contact your carrier. If your iPhone still displays search and contact your carrier to check for any network outages or account issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the searching issue on your iPhone and restore cellular connectivity. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.